What's up everybody? Keith Hansen here, life insurance broker. I wanted to put together a video explaining the concept of final expense insurance, which is ultimately a very affordable form of permanent life insurance designed to cover your final expense costs when you die. I know this is a conversation not a lot of people want to have, but there comes a point in time in your life where everybody should plan for this day, because we know this day is going to come sooner or later. We know it's going to be a very sad time for your loved ones, so why would you want to add to the pain by leaving them with the worry of wondering how they're going to cover your final expense costs? Once everybody sees how cost positive and affordable this form of insurance is, it's really a no-brainer to have something like this in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through a real-life case and break down the numbers of this type of investment. So let's say this individual is 50 years old, they are a male, they are a non-smoker, non-tobacco user, their health class is, let's say, regular health. It's a whole life product with a death benefit of $25,000. So we will run the quote. As a life insurance broker, I'm going to get prices from all of the top insurance companies in Canada. The lowest price quoted here is $44.15 per month, or $490 paid on an annual basis. So if you can commit to paying $44.15 per month, the insurance company will be paying $25,000 to cover your final expense costs. If you pay this on an annual basis, the $490 works out to be a little bit less than $41 per month. It's not hard to spend $41 at Tim Hortons nowadays. So let's take a look at these numbers and see if it makes sense. First of all, the primary reason that people buy life insurance is to insure themselves against the unexpected. So let's suppose you were to commit to this plan and 10 years from now you happen to pass away. Let's look at what that number breaks out to be. So from an insurance standpoint, let's suppose you contribute to this plan for 10 years and pass away at that point in time. You will have invested $4,900 to the plan, which is guaranteed to pay out $25,000 tax-free at that point in time. God forbid it's anything less than 10 years, you're going to see even a stronger return on investment. According to Statistics Canada, the average adult male life expectancy is 80 years old, which would in this case be 30 years that you have contributed to the plan. $490 times 30 years, you will have contributed $14,715 to a plan which is going to pay out $25,000 at the average life expectancy, which is almost double what you've contributed to the plan tax-free. Even if you live to be 85, times 490 times 35 years, you'll have contributed $17,167. Still, the $25,000 is going to be 50% more than what you've contributed to the plan. Now you may be thinking this $40 per month could be invested in the stock market and get you a better rate of return, which in some cases is true. However, the stock market poses a lot of market risk and exposure, and when you're talking about people going into their 60s and 70s, it's very ill-advised for them to be exposed to that type of market risk. When you're comparing it with other guaranteed investments, this is a very good rate of return, and it also has the upfront benefits in the event of an accidental death. Not to mention, any growth that you'll see within an investment portfolio is going to be subject to capital gains tax on an annual basis, and it'll also be taxed and go through probate at the time of death, where life insurance will grow tax-free, your heirs will receive the benefit tax-free, and life insurance is the single best way to minimize taxes while transferring wealth to the next generation. I'm going to do a whole new video explaining all of the tax benefits on life insurance, so please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be submitting a bunch of very valuable content very soon. So I hope you found this valuable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any general questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try and get back to everybody. If you would like to discuss this in detail, or if you'd like a quote run specifically for you, please reach out by email and we can set up a time to speak. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing a lot of valuable content in the future. Thank you very much, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.